And then Argo CD will automatically deploy the new version of the application to the Kubernetes cluster.
Do you mind giving a simple example of what DevOps engineers do, just to get a bigger picture?
Very good question. And since we're running out of chalk, let me explain everything using the example of a delivery from Amazon. Think of a company like Amazon. When you place an order, it seems simple, but behind the scenes, it's very complex. Imagine the challenge of not just one order, but millions of them happening at the same time all over the world. DevOps engineers are the ones who ensure that Amazon's website can handle this massive amount of orders without any issues. Sites like Amazon are hosted on servers, and maintaining them is the responsibility of DevOps engineers. Servers are like large computers that host websites and applications, and these servers must operate non-stop. DevOps engineers are also responsible for deploying the apps. In simple terms, this means installing apps on servers so that users can access and use them over the internet. Ultimately, they are responsible for maintaining all the servers that handle everything from buying an item to getting it delivered to your house. Well, shall we continue?